In this tutorial, I'll show you how to link Google Scholar to the University of South Alabama databases so that they show up when you conduct a Google Scholar search. So I'm starting here at the main library's web page, and I want to get to Google Scholar, so I'll type scholar.google.com. And now I'm already signed into my Google Scholar account. You can see my profile or my picture over here. I'm in my account. And over on the left-hand side, I have a profile set up. I have saved some articles right in Google Scholar, which can often be helpful. But go to the three bars here and click on Settings, and then click on Library Links. And then you can see that I have already signed into OpenWorldCat and to these two links to University of South Alabama libraries. And so once you check these boxes and then click on Save, when you conduct a, when you conduct a search in Google Scholar, on the right-hand side you can see that this article right here is available in the library's databases. And if I click on this link to full text at USA, Google Scholar will take me to the University of South Alabama web page and then help me find the article in the library's databases. So that's pretty cool and convenient.